ALM Positioners has been raising the bar for almost 4 decades. Our HD line is the newest way we're raising that bar. Next to me is our 75,000 pound capacity positioner. As elevation, this particular unit is fixed headstock, fixed tailstock. Our HD line ranges from 75,000 pounds up to 125,000 pounds. The columns are to be anchored to the floor for applications that have a fixed length part, or the tailstock can be adjustable on rails for variable part lengths. Per customers' feedback, we are able to maintain our smaller footprints for this HD line, similar to our smaller capacity positioners. ALM Positioners HD line has 360 degrees of rotation, variable speed of 0.3 to 0.5 RPM, vertical travel of 73 inches from the home position. ALM's competitive edge, 1 inch of travel per second. The HD line is built with ALM's automation-ready plug-and-play controls. This controls configuration allows you to run the positioner in manual mode, still utilizing your wireless pendant or the HMI screen by selecting manual mode. You have the opportunity to redeploy your positioner to programmable, allowing you to have one-touch part positioning, pre-taught program positions. Another opportunity to redeploy your positioner is ready to integrate automated and robotic solutions. We are ready to speak with you about a positioning solution for your HD assembly or fabrication application. ALM Positioners, the industry leader, any way you tilt it.